Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to do a review video. So today I'm going to review this Insight non-transfer lip color for you guys. So if you want to know about this product, that how is it and everything, then please keep on watching. But before starting this video, don't forget to hit on that red subscribe button, and beside the subscribe button there's a bell icon. So don't forget to hit on that bell icon as well, so that you will always get a notification whenever I upload a new video. So now let's get started with the video. First, let's talk about the packaging. This is how the outer packaging looks like. It says Insight Makeup Essential Non-Transfer Lip Color, and when you turn around, you have they have some claims that it is matte texture, 24 hours, waterproof, through color, smudge proof, paraben free, 100% veg, no long wear. So that all they claim. We will see in the later half of the video if the claims are true or not. And then if you turn around, there is ingredient list and stuff like that, so you can go through the ingredient list if you want. And when you turn around, you have manufacturing and expiry date and also the MRP. So the shelf life is for 3 years, which is a good thing. And at the top you have the shade number and name mentioned. And at the bottom, as you can see, it is tagged as made in India. So these are made in India, which is a great thing. That was about the outer packaging. I really like the packaging. It's has this reflecting thing as well. And once you open this is how the actual tube looks like. It says Insight non-transfer lip color, and the top is of black color which says non-transfer lip color on it, and the bottom is transparent so you can easily see the color through it. And it says Insight Makeup Essentials, and at the bottom you get shade number and name mention, and nothing else on the packaging. It's very simple and sleek. That was about the packaging. Simple, decent packaging, nothing too fancy. Overall, I like it. So once you open this is how the applicator looks like. It's a normal doe foot applicator. I really like the applicator in it. It picks up a lot of product, and in one swipe you get opaque color as well. So I personally love the packaging of it. The applicator is really nice as well. Yeah, overall I personally love it. This lipstick contains 4 ml of product in it, which is actually less than a standard quantity, because standard quantity is around 5 to 6 ml. So this is a bit less than that, but for the price it's okay. This retails for just 75 rupees, which is very inexpensive. So for the price it is actually pretty good. And this is how the size look. It's actually small, as you can see. I got this lipsticks from Nykaa, but you can easily get it on Flipkart, Amazon as well. So I will leave all the links in the description box, so you can go ahead and purchase it. The good thing about this lipsticks, this is an Indian brand, and also these are made in India. They have mentioned it on the packaging itself, like you can see. I hope you can see that. You can definitely go for it. It's very inexpensive. These are made in India, so what more you need. This lipsticks comes in total 12 shades, but I have picked only 2 shades for me. I have just picked 2 shades for me. I also wanted a 05, which is Cocoa Plum, I guess, but I did not got it because it was out of stock. So I just got this 2 shades, and these are mostly out of stock on Nykaa, but finally I got it. So I got 01 and 11, which is both of them are like a light brown shades. So I personally love this shades. It's a nude shade basically. The formula of this lipsticks are really good, you guys. I will first just give you a swatch of it. So you can see how pigmented it is. Within one swipe you get opaque color. You don't need to layer it up couple of times. Just in 1 or 2 swipes you will get opaque color with this. The color payoff is also really good. I personally love this lipsticks for that. And this takes about say 20 to 30 seconds to dry completely, and once it's dried it's completely matte. It's non-transfer. This doesn't even transfer, so as you can see there is nothing behind my hand, and you see transfer proof. It is transfer proof as well. I'm wearing the shade 01, which is Joyful. These are not drying as well, but if you have extremely dry lips, then you will feel a bit drying on the lips. So what you can do is you can apply a lip balm underneath and then wear it. Even if you have normal lips, I will recommend you guys to apply a lip balm underneath and then wear this lipstick. Then it will feel a lot comfortable. And the formula is also really good. It has this, when you apply this, it is a very moussey like texture, but it is completely matte. It is a liquid lipstick, so yeah. And these are also comfortable. These are not very drying on the lips. The consistency is also really good. The pigmentation, the color payoff, everything is really good about this lipstick. And it just retails for 75 rupees, so I will highly recommend you guys to try this if you haven't tried it already. All the links will be in the description box, so you can go ahead and check it out. Now let's talk about the staying part. This stays on for more than 8 to 10 hours without eating. Now this claims on the packaging that it is 24 hours non-transfer and stuff like that, but I don't think anyone can wear this for 24 hours, because after you eat anything, it will come off from the inner corners of the lips, so it leaves like a liner effect. So that's the one thing I don't like about it. Overall, I personally love this liquid lipsticks. So if you like liquid lipsticks more than any other, then I will highly recommend you guys to try this out. These are very comfortable. You can easily wear this to office, college, occasions as well. I really like it. Just that I do not like that when you eat anything, then it comes off from the inner corners, and then it gives like a liner effect, like it just leaves like a outline. So that's the one thing I don't like about this. But other than that, everything is really good, and it is also smudge proof, so it won't now this has dried, so it is also smudge proof. As you can see, it doesn't smudge that easily, but obviously if you eat, it will come off. Now let's get started with the swatches. So yeah, that was my review for you guys. I hope you liked this video. If you did like this video, then please hit that like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such videos like this. And beside the subscribe button, there's a bell icon, so don't forget to hit on that bell icon as well, so that you'll always get a notification whenever I upload a new video. So that's it. Bye bye. See you in my next one.